the dangers and the protection of the aquatic environment. The number of dangerous predators for humans in the water is insignificant compared to all the wonderful creatures you will encounter. In the tropics, even the water infested, as they say, with sharks, the most frequent painful encounters for divers are those with the fire coral. A colony of microscopic stinging creatures that does not move at all and that is touched due to distraction or ignorance. This is why it is important to always dive with a protective suit, even if the water is warm. A good course in marine biology and reading before diving in a new aquatic environment, some naturalistic guides specific for the place you are diving, will help you prevent any potential injury. Prudent and respectful behaviour towards the animals, especially if you're not familiar with them, will ensure that you avoid potential dangers. Pay particular attention as to where you put your hands and fins. To avoid painful encounters, you can wear gloves. In some parts of the world, however, this is forbidden in order to protect the aquatic flora and fauna from humans. All aquatic creatures have delicate protective coatings that protect them from infections, parasites, etc. Simply touching an animal can destroy this protective coating. Even the sediment or sand stirred up by our fins can be a suffocating blanket for the small creatures that encrust rocks or build coral reefs. In many countries, it is forbidden to collect live shells, and in others, even those that are dead. The fines are very high. When you descend into the underwater world, remember that the animals you are observing are wild. The sea is our jungle, and we divers must defend it. As direct users of its beauty, it is our duty to ensure that the aquatic world is handed down to posterity in the same conditions in which we found it, or even better. In addition to regulations and laws which obviously must always be respected, good divers have their own code of conduct, according to which the aquatic world deserves the utmost respect. Be careful not to pollute, not to leave trash around, and if you are a fisherman, not to take anything that is not permitted by law and that will not be eaten later.